Blessings. Let's get into this wonderful piece. Right now I'll be making a batch of white paint. So just start off with equal parts, and this is how you break down your acrylic paint for a pour. Second, you're going to add your pouring medium, and that is Artist Loft from Michaels. And of course the white was Artist Loft as well from Michaels, and you just get an equal part of the water. And you could use measuring cups, just make sure they're equal parts. And once you add all of those together, go ahead and mix it. Stir, stir, stir. Stir it all up until it's a nice consistency for you to start your piece. And I just pick the cup up and just keep on mixing. And just adding a little bit more. It was a little watery. I eyeball it at this point, so even if you mix it equal parts, you're always able to add medium or paint or even water to get the right consistency. So just mix it, and I am done. On to the next. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and start my piece, and I'm able to see this paint is a wonderful consistency. So just pour it down on the canvas, and this also has silicone mixed in it to add an effect that I would like to get within the piece, and just rub it all across the canvas. And the canvas that I'm using here, I believe, is a 12 by 12, and I'll check that and make sure to put that in the description. Add the paint, so that is a blue, and that's a Premixed blue from Michaels as well, Artist Loft brand, and this is a lighter blue that I'm using. And I'll make sure to put the details of the colors within the description if you're interested. I'm going to finish off with gold here. I love adding gold to my pieces. All right, and it is on a Lazy Susan, so I can turn it around as I need to turn it. Quick pause here. To get the effect that you need, you're going to need a blow dryer with a nozzle tip on it. So I'm in the process of getting that, and here we go. And just go ahead and just blow it out. Blow it on out, and you see how I have all of those beautiful cells that's created by the silicone. Just go ahead and continue to blow it out. Now I like to have the gold in the center. And there you have it. And to add some effect, I'm just going to go in and draw a pattern with my paintbrush. Just tracing it along the canvas. There you go. Final results. Be well.